didn't think that I had a debt to pay, till there came a day all I had left to wait. You said you wouldn't put me to the test today, but I remember you saying that yesterday. There was a time when your mind wasn't out of control. Every memory of confession pouring out of your soul, like a pill you couldn't swallow and it swallowed you whole. Another lie hard to follow till it follows you home, and like that, broken down, a victim of your lies. You left behind the lies. You don't know why. You left the lies wrapped up inside your lies. You left behind lies. You're not inside that broken sky. Behind your lies. I don't know what you thought I might say. Seems like you never were taught the right way. Every other minute I fought for my place and dropped what I made and thought you might say so. I'm guessing that you probably know when you're inside hollow that you ought to be cold. Like a pill I couldn't swallow and it swallowed me whole. Another lie hard to follow till it swallowed me home, and like that, broken